Welcome to this platform tutorial video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform. The topic of today's video is the feature settings, specifically the feature pricing. Everything that you can do with the feature pricing and all the options that are involved in it. This personally, in my opinion, is one of the coolest things that you can do with Platform, which the feature pricing option allows you to not just sell access to your membership area, which is what most membership sites or course builders allow you to do. Basically, it's like, oh, here's my membership site. It's $20 to join or whatever you want to set it to. And then you come in and you have access to everything that's in there. Platform is structured a little bit differently and a little bit more high tech, a little bit more advanced. What it allows you to do is actually take an actual whole feature, a course, a video channel, a newsfeed group, a community newsfeed chat, and you can paywall that off. You can paywall off entrance into your platform, into your membership area, but then inside of that, you can paywall off other features inside of there. So you could add as many courses as you want inside of your platform and paywall all them off individually, or give some for free, some paywalled, some hidden you can hide from some members. So that's why there's a lot of options and a lot of things that you can do for Platform. Whereas, like, for example, you can use just access to the membership as a lead magnet. And then once people are in, then you can bring them up your value ladder and sell them additional products after they've already engaged with your free content inside of your platform. This is not the conventional funnel, but you can use Platform as like a pressure cooker for all of your members. Okay, they get in and then you just like keep swirling around to offers that you have and you just keep building more engagement. The offers that are sold inside of a membership site, if you're engaging properly inside of your membership site, they're very high converting. I mean, basically you put out an offer and like everybody buys because there's just continual engagement and they trust you major. Like there's major trust. They just buy whatever you offer them. That's one of the main functions I think that you can use Platform for. Basically adding some lead magnet features inside of here, like a Facebook group. Like you can add the newsfeed feature as a Facebook group for free. People can come in, engage with you, and then right down from that, there could be a tab for your other courses with basically a sales video on there where they can just unlock the course right from inside of their platform. It's very direct response, like in getting your people to buy your product. I'm going to show you how you can configure some of that and what it might look like. But before I do, if you have any questions about feature pricing or anything else inside of Platform, navigate to the support hub inside of your Platform Creator dashboard. You're going to get hit with this frequently asked questions list. And these are basically just menu drop downs that you can just see a question and hit the menu drop down and it's going to give you a video answer or text answer. If you have a really unique question though, or you want to brainstorm about how you can use Platform for your business, click the chat with us link here and it's going to give you a live encrypted chat, private chat with us, direct one-on-one. There's no email back and forth that we need to go to. This will go directly to us and we can answer and help you out in the best way that we can. If for some reason we're not online and you want to do the submit a ticket, you can submit a ticket and it'll go to us and we'll deal with it that way. Alternatively, you can click this link at the top. It says Help Docs. It's going to take you to our Help Center knowledge base and you can search whatever you want. You can also click Help Docs and it's going to let you go through all the features that Platform has to offer in more depth. And if for some reason you're selling courses online or you're an influencer and you don't have a Platform account, I'm telling you right now, you need to go to platformarea.com and pick yourself up a free trial today and start building your courses and your membership community inside one of the most advanced internet marketing tools that exists today. With all that out of the way, let's go ahead and configure some feature pricing. So I'm only going to be talking about the feature pricing today. There's a lot of other paywall and payment settings that you can set with like access to your platform, but we're not going to go into that right now. We're just going to focus solely on the feature pricing. So if I scroll down to any feature here, but I'm just going to select the crypto course, you're going to be introduced to this feature's settings. You're going to need to set all these settings to activate this feature inside of your membership area, inside of your membership platform. At the top here, there's also a build, and this is where you're actually going to build your modules, build your lessons, build your actual course. And then you got the settings. These are the settings for that feature. One of the options in your feature settings here is feature pricing. Now, what is this? There are tooltips next to all of these options that give you a little bit of a hint of what this element actually does. But I'm not going to actually read from this. I'm just going to tell you what this is. And this feature pricing, if you toggle this on, it's going to allow you to set a pricing plan for just access to this feature. You got a couple of things here, right? You got the plan and you got the pricing. So what kind of plan do you want this to be? Do you want this to be a one-time purchase? Do you want this to be monthly? Or do you want this to be an annual plan? And then you got your price, right? Which that's pretty self-explanatory. You just enter in your price. So we're going to do this crypto course. It's going to be $497 and it's going to be a one-time offer. Down here, you can add a lock video. Now, what this video does is this allows you to add a sales video to this feature. And I'm going to show you what this looks like in a second. I just want to go through this element so that you understand that. This is your VSL. This is your video sales letter for this feature to unlock it so that when a member clicks on that feature, they're going to see it in their sidebar and they're going to click on that like, oh, crypto course. Oh, this is awesome. They're going to click on that and they're going to get hit with your VSL and an option to buy and unlock this feature inside of their membership site. They don't have to go to another landing page. They don't have to go through a whole nother cart process. If you have your platform set up that it's actually taking payments from the beginning and somebody comes in and they give you your credit card, your platform account now has that member's credit card information on file. So what this is going to do is this is going to allow you to do a one-click upsell to unlock this feature. Are you starting to get the power of this, guys? Are you starting to understand this? This is major stuff here. One-click upsells after they're already inside of your membership site. There's no course process. There's no funnel that they have to go through again. They just have to see it on the sidebar. Oh my gosh, there's another crypto course. There's another feature there. There's another quiz. There's another group there's another store I can access. All they have to do is click on it, and then they just have to click one button, and literally it unlocks the program or the feature for them. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second, but this is where you upload your VSL to do that. And this is where you can add copy too. So let's type in some quick copy, and don't bust me on this. Like, I'm just doing this on the fly here. So this is pretty much the worst copy ever, but you can add in whatever you want, take your time, add in whatever you want to get your members to unlock this. Like, what your demographic and your niche is going to respond to, or you should. And especially after you have your members swirling around in here for months or years, you're going to know exactly what you can say to them that triggers them to buy. So you add that into this description. And then down here is your button text, right? Yes, unlock and start this course now. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to upload a video of me. And this is going to take a second to upload. Okay, so now that I got me up here, I am going to click save. So now I have my feature pricing set. I have a plan, I have a price, I have a sales video, and I have copy, and I have button text all in here. So now what does this look like to a member? Because again, remember, we're building all of this in our creator dashboard, and then that is going to represent itself inside of our membership platform for our members. So what does that look like? Well, we have to log in to our membership platform to actually see it. Best way to do that is go to dashboard and click view your application. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to the login page. So I assume you already have test members made. Inside of your members tab here, you can click create a member and you can actually just create a member on the fly. That option is not showing for me because I have my platform pricing already configured. I can't manually create members anymore. But if you don't have your pricing configured or you're bringing in people for free, then that option will still be there. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into Albert Einstein's account here, right? Because he's one of my test members. So I'm going to click copy. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to type in his password, and I'm going to click sign in. Now I'm in Albert Einstein's account. This is my test account. And you can see here on the side here, there's a crypto course. So I should be able to click that. And now you can see what this did was it added a video, and here's my copy, And here's the one-click button here. So what, as a member, I'm seeing this and I'm like, oh, they got a crypto course too? And then like I can just hit play. So you are currently on platforms. And I went ahead and I muted this for the sake of this video. And yeah, you can say whatever you want, but I just added this in here because it kind of gives you an idea here of how you can sell your program inside of here. But all that Albert has to do is click yes, unlock this course right now. And since platform already has his information on file, like your membership platform already has Albert's credit card on file, this is a one-click upsell. So I'm just going to click this and unlock this course right now. And boom, that's how fast it is. So now you just made a sale, right? Albert just got charged $497 and he also has access to his course now. Now he's probably going to be pretty pissed because there's only 2 modules in here. But 2 modules for $497, that sounds like kind of a rip. These better be some damn good modules, right? But anyhow, that's how you can sell additional products inside of your platform. So essentially, you don't even need to charge a monthly membership for people in here. You can, and I recommend that you should, but you also could just bring in people for free. Have them just sign up to your membership course. They don't have to pay anything. So it's like, hey, you want to see additional YouTube videos? I have a video channel in here that makes exclusive content. It's free to sign up. There's no $5 a month Patreon that you have to pay or anything like that, right? You bring them into here, you engage them, and then you sell them a whole bunch of other stuff, okay? That's the platform philosophy in a nutshell. That's how more advanced entrepreneurs are actually selling to their customer, not having Patreon take 10% of their earnings. That is one example of how you can use the pricing feature. This feature pricing option will also work with hidden features. So you can hide these features from certain members, and then when you give members access to them, they still have to pay. So I have a merch store here. Let's say I want to give everybody in my membership access to this merch store. That's great. But then I want to make another merch store that is specific that you got to pay to have access to, all right? Because there's like some special stuff in there or whatever. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to the merch store and I'm just going to turn on the feature pricing. I'm going to set the plan for, let's just do, if you want access to this, because I'm dropping new stuff all the time, it's a monthly plan. And then I'm going to charge $5 a month access to it. Okay, I'll upload a video. Let's just do an intro this time because now you understand the lock text. Get my stuff. And yes, unlock this feature now. And I'm going to click save. And now if I come back over to Albert's site here, here's the upsell. Click pop and you can see, yes, unlock this feature. Now, again, it's a one-click upsell. However, if for some reason, when you are bringing in free members, right? If they're free, they didn't give you your credit card information yet. So you're wondering, how is this going to be a one-click upsell? It's actually not going to be a one-click at that point. If Albert wouldn't have already given me his credit card, what'll happen is there'll be a credit card form right underneath here instead of the one click. So it's still super convenient. There's still no major sales process that they have to go through. This can be just an impulse buy. It's like, oh, I'm coming in here every day to access the group newsfeed. And now I see there's a new store here. It's an impulse buy. It's so convenient that people can just like, oh, I can access this. Here's my credit card. It's $5 a month. That's nothing. Yes, unlock it. And then they have access to that feature. I'm sure you can use your imagination on way more things of what this will do for your business and how you can utilize it. And then what you'll be able to do as well is you can turn this hidden feature on so that specific people will only have access to even see the feature. You'd have to give them manual access to see it, and then it can still be paid. So you can still charge for it, but you can like tell people through email or something else that you'll unlock it for them. They'll be able to see it in their account and then they'll be able to purchase it. Or you can do that behind the scenes for certain people that you like or certain people that you've interacted with before. You think that they'll like an offer. You can make an offer for them. You can even make an individual features specific for that person. Like if you're doing coaching, even if it's like a one module course that you upload a specific coaching video for that person and then just have them unlock it and just have them pay for it. And you can use that as a hidden feature and unlock it just for that member. There's a full video on how to use the hidden feature element in the help documentation Other than that, that's a pretty quick overview of how to use the feature pricing. If you have any other questions about feature pricing, hit us up in the support hub in the live chat. We'll help you out. But until then, I'll see you on the next platform tutorial video.